Also known as the cradle of wine, the Supra are one of its many long-held traditions. With a festive Supra comes traditional Georgian dancing, a Georgian feast, and overall it is highly regarded as an important part of Georgian culture. It is a tradition that dates back centuries, and it is also said to be a big part of the way Georgians communicate and socialize with one another. It is here that professionals and students participating in the GREAT project from both the University of Toronto and Tbilisi State University have the opportunity to meet one another before beginning their excavations at Gadishvili Gora. Also joining the team in tonight's festivities is the National Wine Agency of Georgia. They are just one of the many sponsors for GREAT 2016. So what can you tell us about the Georgian Supra tonight?
Supra is one of traditional things in Georgian culture, which is a part of our life. Because Georgian, some person says that all great decision was taken in Supra in Georgia. Because Supra is, without joke, it is a communication of persons. And when persons like each other, they respect each other, they stay along the Supra with a bit more time and speaking and discussing and dancing and so on. So it is a very important part of our life, and Georgians every time try to have this occasion to sit down together with friends, together with colleagues, to spend several hours in pleasant atmosphere.
Supra is a place where people speak, exchange opinions, information and emotions. When we drink all together. First toast which Tamara proposed is something important. We speak about these important things. We agree or disagree with the people we are around, but we speak about these things. It's, I don't know, from friendship, about friendship or countries or relations.
Regardless of the size or type of Supra, a Tamada or Toastmaster is always elected for the feast and is usually selected by the guests or host of the Supra. This position holds many responsibilities, including presenting a theme, introducing toasts, and discussing topics at length. Some popular toasts are to God, Georgia, family, ancestors, friends, and women. And of course, a big part of the festivities is about enjoying life and celebrating new friends.
Okay. And what is important, after this we drink wine. First thing, we never speak nothing negative. In toast, we speak about positive things. We are trying to be positive in one direction and to agree with other members of Supra. First time, second time, and after sometimes we have some opinions and emotions with quite similar. It makes friends and people who think in the same directions.
What's the story behind some of the traditions that are here tonight? We learned a little bit about that at the National Wine Agency, just about some of the traditions that are held here. How far do those go back, and how far does the Georgian Supra go back?
How to say, the Georgian with a long history of life, it's not easy to understand, make a line between tradition and modernity. We try to live in modernity and we try to stay in this tradition as well. So we say that this part of our life is tradition and it's modern as well, both simultaneously. So we try to keep our tradition, we keep to not stay too much inside, to go to the forward in the history, and also to, how to say, to improve this communication between people.
However, there are some rules to keep in mind when attending your first Georgian Supra. I was given a few pointers to keep in mind. What do you think about introducing other cultures to Supra? Like, what do you think we should take from it?
I think participation is very important.
Okay.
Just looking from the side, it's not very interesting. You can't understand what's happened. You should participate in Supra. But to rest modest, to be modest when it's first time, just to know how it's working, because sometimes it's different for Western or Eastern regions, but participate, to drink small with other people and to speak and explain. It's not difficult. It's you should rest, or you should be direct and speak what you think. In general, it always works, and you will make many friends in very little time.
So until next time.